the number 7 pattern, right? I'm going to share with you another revolution by Amazon.com in order to bring the warehouse closer to the user, especially in metropolitan like New York, like, like Singapore, where it's all very congested. It's not cheap to do a warehouse. So they come up with a flying warehouse, Airborne Fulfillment Center. So this Airborne Fulfillment Center will be positioned at an altitude above a metropolitan. And this warehouse has inventory of items. And it has many, many drones, UAV. And this drone will carry the item, fly from the Airborne Fulfillment Center, go to your doorstep and deliver the goods to you. So by doing that, you cut down on the delivery time. Also, you can cut down on the cost, right? If it's far away, you can cut down on the cost. So if you look at the claim, right, it is a method again, and this method talk about a computer implemented system, again using computing system, using processor. Then it receives an order from a user in that metropolitan area. The user check Amazon.com, they order, they can choose, oh, this area fulfillment center has this goods, then I can order. And then the Airborne Fulfillment Center will order a UAV, again, unmanned aerial vehicle, located in the Airborne Fulfillment Center to pick up the goods, leave the Airborne Fulfillment Center, navigate to your delivery location and disengage the goods. So this flying warehouse concept was also patented by Amazon.com, and it is linked to their Amazon.com e-commerce system, and I think it will revolutionize, right, the way we deliver goods to the user. So these are the 7 key patterns that I would like to share with you. Of course, I have 1 or 2 more. This is how it works, right? This Airborne Fulfillment Center, where the flying warehouse can get goods from the main warehouse. They fly to near a metropolitan. They can park beside the metropolitan, or they can fly above the metropolitan, and they can engage the UAV to deliver the goods to you, right? So this is what they do to speed up the delivery and to make enhance customer experience. From the pattern that Amazon found, I just touch a little bit about some of the 1 or 2 before I come to the end. From the pattern found, Amazon has also come up with autonomous ground vehicles, AGV. These are like the robots. These are like the robots. They will probably one day put some robots in one neighborhood. So this robot will go from your house to a pickup location to meet with the delivery trucks from Amazon warehouse, and then they will put it into their robots and bring it to your home. So this is what Amazon has done to speed up the delivery of the e-commerce order that they have taken. Right? This is another example. Is they even come up with these inflated packages with, they can use drone to carry the package, and they can put airbags and to surround the package, and they can drop that package in an inflatable airbags near to your house or near to a pickup location. And of course, to be sure that no one is injured, they also put in sensor. If there's no person around or fragile objects in the drop zone, then they will drop items. This is something that they have also patented. Right? So I've shared with you some of the key patterns that we have researched, and we find that they might be of interest, right, to the e-commerce player and also to the traditional retailer. And for all their effort and for all the innovation, Amazon.com has been handsomely rewarded, right, with the value creation of their company is just amazing. If you look at the financial chronology of Amazon.com, they were started off by Jeff Bezos in 1994. And during the first year, he got funded by their parents, by his own money. He put in $1 million to start this company with all the savings that he has, with the parents' saving. Then they went to business angel. That the first 20 business angel that put money in the company, they put 50,000 each in Amazon.com in 1995, 1 year after the foundation. The 20 or so putting 50,000, they collectively invested 1 million into Amazon.com. The 50,000 that they invested in, if they don't sell their share, they will be worth 6 billion US dollar right now. From 50,000 to 6 billion US dollar in 20 years is how many times of return? It's 1 million time return. Yeah. And then if you are not angel investor, but you buy their share at IPO in 1997, you put in 1,000 during the IPO in 1997, it is now worth $1.3 million in 2018. So Amazon is an amazing case study, and today I have attempted to look at some of their key e-commerce patents. I hope you gain some get some inspiration and also some ideas about how a great company like Amazon can have been using and using IP effectively and successfully to grow their business to what they are today. Okay, I think that's it for